Jai Shri Gurudev. My dear friends, in last class we already discussed about the division of the complex numbers and also some identities. A plus z1 plus z2 whole square, like that. Okay, so many identities already discussed. In this video, now I will explain modulus, very important concept. Modulus and conjugate of a complex number. Modulus and conjugate of the complex number. First, modulus. Okay. So let us consider one complex number called z is equal to a plus ib. Okay. Z is equal to a plus ib. Let us consider one complex number called z is equal to a plus ib. Okay. So modulus of the complex number z can be represented as like this. Modulus z is like that we have to denote. Modulus z anta ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. So this modulus z anta represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. But how to calculate the modulus of the complex number means modulus z is equal to root of a is a real part a square plus imaginary part b square. Imaginary part whole square. So like that we had to calculate. So this is called the modulus part. One example I will see. If z is equal to 2 plus 3a, you can put 2 plus 3a. Tell me what is the modulus of z? Modulus of z is equal to root of 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 4 plus 9 is equal to root 30. Like that we have to simplify. Very easy problem. Okay. So like that modulus can be represented. Okay. Modulus na ನಾವು ಈ ತರ ನಾವು represent ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay na? And some problems are there. Modulus ke some properties also there. What is that property means? See, first property is what? Z1 into Z2. Product of the two. If two complex numbers are given like this, ee ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay. So multiplication ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Directly write like this. Modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. This is the property number 1. Okay. So modulus of Z1 Z2. Modulus of Z1 Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 into modulus of Z2. And second one, what is the second one? Modulus of Z1 divided by modulus of Z2. Okay. Modulus of Z1 divided by Z2 is equal to modulus of Z1 divided by modulus of Z2. Modulus of Z1 divided by modulus of Z2. So like that we have to simplify. ಈ ತರ ನಾವು simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So sorry. We have to write the formulas. These are some formulas. Properties ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Formulas. Okay. Modulus related formulas are properties. Okay. If Z1 and Z2 are the two complex numbers, we can follow like this. Okay. Next we will move to the what is that? Conjugate of a complex number. See, next concept, conjugate of a complex number. Let us consider the z is equal to a plus ib. Okay, so conjugate of a plus ib, z is equal to a plus ib can be denoted as z bar. ಇದರ bar ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು conjugate. So either one of them is modulus. This is modulus symbol. This is conjugate symbol. Conjugate z bar is nothing but conjugate of z anta. Okay. How it will be defined? See, conjugate of z is equal to a plus ib is denoted as z1 and defined as z bar is equal to a minus ib. So if x plus ib is there, x minus ib, like that. Okay. So this is the formula for the conjugate of a plus ib. Okay. Different problems. Just consider different problems. How it will be seen. 2 plus i. Z is equal to 2 plus 3a. 2 plus 3. What is the conjugate of 2 plus 3a? Z bar is equal to 2 minus 3a. Okay. Next, z is equal to minus 2 plus 3a. Minus 2 plus 3a. What is z bar? Z bar is equals to minus 2 minus 3a. Okay. Z is equals to minus 2 minus 3a ಇದೆ. minus 2 minus 3a ಇದೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ? So z bar is equals to minus 2 plus 3a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ what you have to learn from these examples means ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ರಿಯಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ won't changes. Negative sign means negative sign only, positive means positive only. What is the changing? If coefficient of I, otherwise imaginary part is positive, I have to make the negative in z bar. Okay. In z, positive is there, negative. If negative is there in imaginary part, I have to make the positive in z bar. Okay. I have to keep it in your mind. Stay. Real part change agala. Conjugate only real part won't changes. Only imaginary part change agala. Sign only changes. Sign plus will becomes minus, minus will become plus. That's it. Okay. So this is very important question. Very important concept. Conjugate concept is just important. Okay. Why? Because if you know the conjugate ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ division also important. Already told in last video division ಮಾಡುವಾಗ conjugate ನ division multiplication ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, already told conjugate. So ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ conjugate is very important concept. Okay, if you have any doubt means you can ask through WhatsApp, otherwise you can comment below this video. Okay, so some properties are there. See, conjugate properties. What are the conjugate properties? Means see, z1 z2, first one z1 z2 conjugate. z1 z2 conjugate is equals to what? z1 conjugate z2 conjugate. Okay, and second one. So what is the first one? z1 z2 conjugate is equals to z1 conjugate into z2 conjugate. Okay, and addition and subtraction. Second one. So z1 plus or minus z2 conjugate is equals to what? z1 conjugate plus or minus z2 conjugate. And third one, z1 divided by z2 conjugate is equals to z1 conjugate divided by z2 conjugate. So these are the conjugate formulas. Okay, and our properties, otherwise properties. So here z2 is not equals to 0. z2 is not equals to 0. Same as for modulus also. Okay, not told in modulus. Okay, so these are the some properties anna ankonಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Otherwise you can consider as properties and rule. Okay, so this is the information regarding the conjugate and modulus of a complex number. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ so we can apply the properties. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ CET ಒಳಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ವೆರಿ helpful. That's all. Okay, one condition you have to know here. Multiplicative inverse ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟಿವ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. I will tell that also. Okay, in the next class. Okay, this class only. So my dear friends, conjugate and also modulus already over now. Now I will tell two formulas. This will be very helpful for doing problems. Okay, already told this one. Another time I will tell. First formula. So what is that means? Additive. See, what is the first one? Additive inverse of a plus ib. Additive inverse of a plus ib is what is the formula for this one? A plus ib for the additive inverse calculate ಮಾಡೋದು. So it is minus a minus ib. So minus apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? And another second one, multiplicative inverse. Okay. So multiplicative inverse of a plus ib. Multiplicative inverse of a plus ib Formula already told 1 by a plus n 1 plus a plus I already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Is nothing but multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನ. Conjugate multiply and division by a minus ib ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ what is the result? Final result means like this. a minus ib ಇದು a plus ib ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು a minus ib divided by root of a square plus b square. So this is called the multiplicative inverse. Okay. Oh, sorry root illa sorry one second. Sorry. So 1 divided by a plus ib equal to a minus ib divided by a square plus b square. Root is not. So multiplicative inverse is the formula. ಇದನ್ನು separate ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹೆಂಗೆ separate? a divided by a square plus b square minus ib divided by a square plus b square. So ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟ. So ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸಾಕು. So multiplicative inverse of a plus ib is what? a minus ib divided by a square plus b square. Very easy now. So these two formulas are very important. Should they will ask for 2 marks or 1 mark? Very important questions. Okay, don't neglect. So multiplicative inverse like this, additive inverse like this. Okay, so these are the two formulas. So let us discuss some problems. So my dear students, see next exercise 5.1 complex numbers. Express each of the complex number. Express each of the complex number given below in the form of a plus ib. A plus ib formula ಗೆ ನಾವು express ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay na? A plus ib formula express ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay. So here the first question is given like this. 5i into minus 3 by 5 into I. Okay. So we have to multiply the constant into constant multiplication ಮಾಡಿ. 5 ಇದೆ 5 cancel ಮಾಡಿ. 5 cancel. And minus 3 is only constant. I into I is what? I square. So minus 3 into minus 1. I square formula is there. No, I square is what? Minus 1. So minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1. So it equals to plus 1. So 3 can be written as a plus ib formula. 3 plus I into 0. I into 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 3 plus 0 3 ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So change ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ. So like that we have to write a plus ib form. A plus ib. B is 0. Why? Because here there is no imaginary part. No, ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಇದು a plus ib form. Okay. Next we will move to the next problem number 2. I power 19. Sorry, I power 9 plus I power 19. I power 9 plus I power 19. Okay. So I power 9 is what? I power 8 is what? Already told now. I power 8 is 1. Both of I power 4, I power 8, I power 12. I into I. Means I power 1. 8 plus 1, 9 ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next. I power 19 ನಂತರ ಇರೋದು 4 16 no. 4 5 are 20 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 4 5 are 16 ವರೆಗೂ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next into I cubed ಆಗುತ್ತಾ 16 plus 3 19 like that. I power 8 1 into I plus I power 16 1 already told. I power 4 into 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 4k already told the formula. I cubed is what? Minus I already told minus I. So minus I. So I minus I 0. I minus I is equal to 0. So 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0. So a plus I. What is a? 0, b 0. 0 plus I. So 0 plus I into 0. So like that we have to simplify. Okay. See my dear students, next question number 3 and 4. Question number 3. I power minus 39 now. I power minus 39. Okay. So it is written as 1 divided by I power 39 ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದಾ? So minus ಬಂದ್ರೆ power ಒಳಗೆ. So one formula is there. So x to the power of minus n is equal to 1 divided by x to the power of n positive one. ಈ ತರ. This is formula. Okay. So x to the power of minus n is equal to what? 1 divided by x to the power of n. By using this formula, we can write like this. I to the power of minus 39 is equal to 1 divided by I power 39. Now we simplify. 1 divided by I power 39. You multiply 4 tables are there. 4 5 is 20. 4 8 ja 4 9 ja what? 36 now. 36 was very good. I power 36. 1 now. So what is the remaining thing? I cube. 36 plus 3. 39 aita. Like that. So is equal to 1 divided by I power 36. I power 36 is what? 1. I cubed minus. So this is the answer. But this is not in a plus ab formula. Henge it is simplify mada sir. Conjugate multiply mada. Minus I conjugate plus I. Same value divide mada. Same value divide. Okay na? I divided by value change. 1 into I divided by minus I square. Minus I square. I divided by minus of minus 1. Why? Because I square is minus 1 now. Minus is another minus is there. Minus of minus 1 plus 1. So I is 1. So I can be represented as I can represent 0 plus I and represent. So this is A plus I form. 0 plus I is I now. A is 0, B is 1. B I into 1 into B. Okay, 1 into I. So B is 1. So A plus I will form like that. Other now simplify. Okay. So this is the last question. This is next question. Question number 4. So multiply 3 into 7 plus I7 plus I into 7 plus I7. Okay. Multiply ಮಾಡಿ 3 into 7 21 3 into I7 21I plus I into 7 7I plus I into I7 I square 7I square okay is equal to 21 plus 21I plus 7I 28 plus 7 into I square. See 21 plus 7 28I 7I square means 7 into minus 1. I square is what? Minus 1 now. 7 into minus 1. Now simplify. 21 minus 7 21 minus 7 16 14 one second okay 14 so 14 plus 28 so like that we have to simplify okay 14 plus 28 so therefore A plus I format was the A plus bi okay so like that we have to simplify some other problems also there so I will tell in next class okay my dear students if you like this video please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment below this video. Otherwise, send the messages in the WhatsApp. Okay, Maths group already created now. That's fine. Thank you.